So I understand that you've issued this public apology. Can you just kind of give me an overview of what he's saying here?
Well, it speaks for itself. Sheriff Gladieux regrets his actions. He's been charged criminally with a crime, and he's entered into an agreement with the special prosecutor to defer that prosecution on certain conditions. So he has not pled guilty. He has not admitted any criminal liability, and the case will, assuming he completes these terms, will ultimately be dismissed in a year's time once that pretrial diversion agreement is put into effect.
Okay. So then what happens here? Is he expected to turn himself in today, or?
We are awaiting the appointment of a special judge. My understanding is that the Allen Superior Court has recused itself based on the relationship with the sheriff, obviously, and a special judge will at some point be appointed. It is also my belief that Sheriff Gladieux will make an appearance in court. We are waiting on that special judge, though.
Okay, so you don't know at this point when that appearance would be?
Correct.
Could it take days, weeks,
Yeah, it could take days. It could be next week before we get a special judge. It could be sometime after that before a court appearance is made if necessary.
Okay. Can you talk about, I mean, has Sheriff Gladieux, why this happened, I suppose? I mean...
I can refer you to the affidavit of probable cause as it relates to the facts of the case. Because of the nature of the case still being open, I'm not going to discuss the facts, and I've instructed Sheriff Gladieux not to discuss the facts either.
And what happens in terms of him being sheriff? He would still be able to hold that ranking, or?
I guess politically I would direct your questions to the Republican Party, perhaps the Republican County Chairman. As far as statutorily, my understanding is the sheriff would be disqualified from office if he was convicted of a felony. He is being charged with a misdemeanor, and again, if the pretrial diversion agreement is satisfied, the case will be dismissed. There will be no conviction.
Okay. I'm trying to think. I think that answers all of my questions. Is there anything else that you think is important to note or for people to know about this case? Or
I think Sheriff Gladieux wanted to bring a quick close to it and agreed to this resolution with the special prosecutor in this manner to bring it to a close. I think that serves everybody's interests.